Hi, beautiful people. I especially welcome you to Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for always returning to watch our beautiful videos. And to our new subscribers, you guys are definitely gonna love it here. I'm back again with a quick fix. Something yummy, creamy, delicious. Oh my goodness. Just do well to stick and stay to the end of this video. So in today's video, we're cooking Macoms special noodles. I like to term it erosion. Let's get started already. For the ingredients, I have cheese curd or wagashi and mushroom as my main proteins. Then I have noodles. I decided to go with Indomie instant noodles and its spice. I also have butter. I have ground pepper or powdered pepper, and that will be all for our quick fix. I start off by dicing my wagashi. I'm using about 3 big chunks of wagashi, so I'm going to dice it into smaller pieces. Then add it to my boiling water. I go in with my mushrooms, and mind you, all ingredients are neatly washed and prepped. I covered it to boil for some minutes, and after some minutes I get back and it's boiling, so I go in with my Indomie instant noodles. I'm boiling my mushrooms and cheese curd because I wanted to release its juices and flavor so I can have a very tasty noodles. I covered it and left it to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. After the set time, I get back and my noodles are cooked. So at this point, I would want to add my powdered pepper. I go in with about 3 teaspoonfuls. And I do well to give it a good mix until everything is thoroughly mixed up. Mind you, if you want it to be hot and spicy, then you'd have to be generous with your powdered pepper. After adding it, I covered it for it to boil for about 3 minutes. I get back again after 3 minutes and I go in with my butter. This is going to make it creamy and delicious, and I was generous with the butter, guys. I added about 3 tablespoonfuls of butter and I took my time to give it a good stir. I also added the Indomie spice, which also contains pepper as well, and this is going to take the taste from 0 to 100. Do well to mix it all up, and the aroma was on a different level. Look at all this goodness. I left it to boil for some few extra minutes, and there you have it. I get back to give my noodles a good stir, and oh my goodness, it's creamy, yummy, delicious. My special Macoms noodles, which I like to term it erosion because of the sauce. Just look at that. It tasted so good. I plated it beautifully, and guys, you definitely have to try your hands on this. I bet you're going to love this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. Kindly do want to give it a big thumbs up, share with your contacts, friends and family. Also, let's get interactive in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, guys, and I'll definitely respond to your comments as well. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and until I see you in my next one, do well to stay beautiful, stay positive, eat well, and cheers. Bye, guys.